Welcome to the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel, home of the Granite security package. Like and subscribe for more content. Hey guys, have you ever been in a situation where you're running Linux, but your cache gets absolutely tremendous and you don't want to reboot your system? I'm going to show you how to fix this without a reboot. So to start with, you could just do a sudo command, but it's going to fail. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do sudo s, which is going to escalate it basically into root configuration. So super user as the root. So we're going to type in our password now on our system. And once you enter your password, you're going to get into the actual root directory, which we're going to see here as Tor, which is my root directory. Now, on the right-hand side, we can see that the cache at this point is 50.2 gigs, which is tremendous. So we're going to want to change this, or basically clear this. And I'm going to show you the command to do so. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter in echo, ECHO, space, the number 3, space, the greater than symbol, space, /proc, /sys, /vm, /drop _ caches, so CACHES. Now once you do that and you hit enter, the system is going to drop the cache. You're going to see it here, that it's now at 1.1 gig. And then what it's doing is it's dropping all the temporary files that it's written to the actual swap file on Linux. So if you don't have a ton of things open anymore, but that file, that size hasn't dropped, and it's still a large size, you could easily fix this by just running this particular command. Now this command will be on the Generic Tech Support website, so feel free to check that out. You'll be able to get the information from there and the screenshot on the droppage. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and hopefully this helps you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for watching the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel. Find the content of this video at https://generictechsupport.com/#channel.